Good morning, Paul. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Jenny. Yes, I feel good today. It's a big day.
A big day? Why?
My parents come tonight.
Oh, your parents?
Yes, they come for dinner.
Wait, dinner? Today?
Yes, today.
We have a little problem.
What problem?
The fridge is almost empty.
Empty. What does empty mean?
It means there is nothing inside.
Nothing inside. Empty. Okay, I understand. Look, no milk, no bread, no fruit.
You are right, it's empty. So we need to go shopping.
Yes, we need food. Let's go to the supermarket.
Yes, the supermarket. We buy everything fresh.
Okay, let's make a list. We need chicken, cheese, fruit, and vegetables. And coffee for your dad. He loves coffee.
Yes, and something sweet for my mom. Maybe some chocolate or muffins. She likes muffins.
Chicken, cheese, coffee, chocolate, muffins. Don't forget bread and milk.
Bread, milk. Okay, done.
Perfect. We are ready. Wait, one more thing.
What?
We can learn new English words in the supermarket.
Oh, good idea. We shop, we talk, we learn.
Yes, we practice English together. It's our English shopping day.
I like that. English shopping day. Okay, bag is ready. Let's go, Jenny.
Let's go, Paul. Wow, this supermarket is big.
Yes, it's huge. So many lights, so many shelves. I like it here. It's clean and bright. Good thing it's close to our home.
Yes, only 5 minutes by foot. That's easy. Okay, let's start. Where do we go first?
Let's go to the meat section.
Oh, I can smell the food already.
Don't be hungry yet.
I try, but it smells so good. Okay, here we are, the meat section.
Wow, there is so much meat here. Chicken, beef, fish, everything. What should we buy for dinner?
Maybe chicken. Your mom likes chicken.
Yes, chicken is good. Let's take fresh chicken. Wait, this one says frozen.
Frozen. What does frozen mean?
It means very cold, hard like ice.
Cold like ice. Frozen. Okay, I understand.
Yes, frozen food stays good for a long time, but fresh food tastes better.
Yes, let's take fresh chicken then. Okay, 1 pack of chicken. Not too big.
Yes, we don't need a lot. Do we need fish too?
Maybe for tomorrow.
Okay, today only chicken. Done.
Great. 1 chicken ready. What's next?
Let's go to the bread section.
Good idea. I love the smell of fresh bread. Do you smell that, Jenny?
Oh yes, fresh bread. It smells so good. I love this smell. Warm and sweet.
Bread always smells like home. Okay, we need bread for dinner.
Yes, your list says bread. So many kinds. Look, white, brown, soft, hard. What kind do we take?
Maybe 1 soft white loaf.
Loaf. What is a loaf?
A loaf means 1 big piece of bread.
1 big piece. A loaf. Yes. 1 loaf or 2 small ones?
1 loaf is enough for tonight.
Okay, 1 loaf it is. Oh, it's still warm.
Yes, I love warm bread. Do you eat bread every day?
Yes, I eat bread every morning.
Oh, really? Toast or just plain bread?
Toast. Always toast.
I like toast too, with butter and honey.
Butter and honey. That's the best. Okay, we have bread.
We have bread, we have chicken.
Chicken and bread. Good start. Repeat after me. 1 loaf of bread.
1 loaf of bread.
Perfect. 1 loaf of bread. 1 pack of chicken. We sound like real shoppers now.
Yes, real English shoppers. H. Next, we need dairy, milk, cheese, yogurt.
Yes. Let's go to the dairy section.
Dairy section. Here we come. Wow, this part is so cold.
Yes, it's the dairy section. Everything stays cold here.
Dairy? What does dairy mean?
It means food made from milk, like cheese, yogurt, butter.
Cheese, yogurt, butter. Okay. Dairy. Yes, that's it. Let's start with milk.
Yes, milk first. How much milk do we need?
Maybe 2 bottles. Or should we take 1 big carton?
Good word. A carton means a paper box for milk.
Carton. Milk in a carton. Okay, I understand. Look, small cartons and big cartons. Let's take 1 big carton. That's enough for the week.
1 big carton of milk. Yes. Next, cheese. I love cheese.
I know, you eat cheese every day. Maybe that's why I'm always happy. How much cheese do we need?
H. 1 small block and maybe 1 pack of sliced cheese.
1 small block. 1 pack of slices. Perfect. We can use it for sandwiches. Do you like hard cheese or soft cheese?
I like both, but soft cheese is easier to cut. Okay, let's take soft cheese. Milk cheese. Done. Wait, we forgot yogurt.
Oh, you are right. Look, there are so many kinds. Strawberry, banana, peach. Let's take 4 cups. 2 strawberry, 2 peach.
4 cups of yogurt. 2 strawberry, 2 peach. No banana for you.
Not today. Maybe next time. Okay, we have everything. 1 big carton of milk. 1 block of cheese. 4 cups of yogurt. It sounds nice when we say it together.
Yes, like a shopping song. Should we get butter too?
Yes. 1 pack of butter and maybe cream.
Yes, 1 small bottle of cream.
1 pack of butter. 1 bottle of cream. Good. Very good. Okay, dairy section is done.
Done. Milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, cream. Milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, cream. I think we're ready for the next stop.
Yes. Next, the fruit and vegetable section. Let's go. Wow, look at all these colors.
Yes, red, green, yellow. It's like a rainbow. I love this part. It smells so fresh. Fruits and vegetables always make me feel healthy. Okay, we need some vegetables for salad. What do we need exactly?
We need tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, and maybe carrots.
Tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, carrots. Yes, they are for the salad. How many tomatoes do we take?
Maybe 4. Not too soft, not too hard.
I like how you choose everything carefully. Good vegetables make a good salad.
Yes, I agree. Do we need onions too?
Maybe just 1. I don't want to cry today.
Okay, 1 onion. Now fruits. My favorite part.
Yes, fruits for dessert. Apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, mango. Let's take apples and bananas. They are easy to eat.
Okay, apples for your dad, bananas for your mom, and grapes for us. Are these grapes ripe?
Ripe. What does ripe pea mean?
Ripe means ready to eat. Soft and sweet.
Ready to eat. Soft and sweet. Yes. If they are not ripe, they are hard and sour. Okay, these look perfect. Ripe grapes. Sweet grapes. Perfect grapes. You really like grapes, huh?
Yes, I love grapes. We also need lemons.
Lemons for what?
For tea and for salad dressing.
For tea and for salad dressing. Got it. Okay, we have tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, carrots, onions, apples, bananas, grapes, tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, carrots, onions, apples, bananas, grapes, lemons. Wow, that's a lot of healthy food.
Healthy food means happy people, and happy people make delicious dinner. What's next, Jenny?
Maybe something to drink. Yes, let's go to the drink section.
Good idea. We need juice and maybe some water. Let's go. Wow, look at all these drinks.
Yes, so many bottles. So many colors. We need something for dinner and something for tomorrow.
Okay, one for dinner, one for tomorrow.
Yes, one for now, one for later. What should we buy first?
Let's start with juice. Juice is always good.
Yes, my mom loves orange juice.
Orange juice, one bottle. And apple juice for your dad.
Orange juice. Apple juice. How many bottles do we need?
Maybe 2 big bottles.
2 big bottles. Yes, 2 big bottles. I like how you repeat everything. Repeating helps me remember. There is also water.
Yes. Let's take 1 bottle of still water and 1 bottle of sparkling water.
1 still, 1 sparkling. Still means no bubbles. Sparkling means with bubbles.
I know now. Still water, sparkling water. Do we need tea or coffee?
Maybe both. Tea for me, coffee for you.
Perfect team. I like green tea. It's light and fresh.
I like coffee with milk, sweet and warm.
You always say coffee with milk.
Yes, it's my favorite flavor.
Flavor. What does flavor mean?
Flavor means the taste. Sweet, fruity, or creamy.
The taste. The flavor. Okay, I understand. Good. So my favorite flavor is coffee with milk, and mine is green tea with lemon.
Coffee with milk, tea with lemon. Coffee with milk, tea with lemon. You sound like a song again. Let's see. We have juice, water, tea, coffee. Okay, I think we are done here.
Yes, everything is ready. Now, let's go to pay. Yes, let's go to the checkout and then home to cook dinner. Dinner for your parents with love.
Okay, this is the last part. Yes, the checkout. Put the milk first. It's heavy. Milk first, then cheese, then fruits.
You do it so well, Paul.
I learned fast. What's that sound?
That's the receipt.
Receipt?
Yes, it's the paper that shows what we buy and how much it costs.
The paper that shows what we buy and how much it costs. Receipt. Good. And remember, keep the receipt.
Keep the receipt. Why?
Because if something is wrong, you can return it.
Ah, keep the receipt. Good phrase. Keep the receipt. Okay, all done.
Yes, we pay. We smile, we go home, easy and simple. Let's go home and cook. Dinner time. Home. Sweet home.
Yes, finally home. The food looks great. Yes, salad, juice, and fruit. And no mess this time. Good job, Paul.
Friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell us, what's your favorite food?
Yes, write it in the comments.